Here is how to see who liked you on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can see who liked you on the Happn app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Happn account, you'll come to the explore page like this. Now in order to see who liked you on the Happn app, you can simply go to the likes option from the menu at the bottom. Then after you will enter the like section. At this screen you will see the profiles or photos of the people that have liked you on the app. However, the photos will be blurred out and you won't be able to see their faces or pictures clearly. Since it's a new account, I don't have any likes on the app. However, in your case, if someone likes you on the app, you'll find the blurred photo of their profile in this section. If you want to see the clear picture of the people that have liked you on the app, you'll have to purchase the premium subscription, for which you'll have to pay. Without paying for subscription, you can't see the clear picture of the person that liked you. However, even after seeing the blurred pictures, you can guess the person from the explore section by looking at the outline of their picture. So in this way, you can see who liked you on the Happn app. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar further videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.